Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. As looking into the title and thumbnail of the video, you know that what is the topic. So in this video, I'll be going to talk about how you can earn some rewards for just browsing the internet. Hope you people know about Microsoft Edge browser. The thing is just you need to use Microsoft Edge on browsing internet. So for every search, you will get some points. Later you can redeem that points to your rewards. Interface of the Microsoft Edge will be something like this. So here you will see the Microsoft rewards option. You just need to click on here, so it will open the rewards page. Before that, yes, you need to log into your Microsoft account, otherwise the point will not be credited to your account. So first you need to log into your Microsoft account, then use the browser to browse. First you need to open the Microsoft Edge browser. So if you don't have Microsoft Edge, you can install the Microsoft Edge browser, then open the Microsoft Edge, then log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it. Then in this reward section, you can see the available points here and today's points. So there is a limit, certain limit, that you know how many points you can earn for a day. So this is the earn section. Here they shows different ways you can get the points here. So when you check on this point breakdown in a day, so as of now I am in level 2. In level 2, in each day or in a single day, you can earn 90 points in your PC, in your laptop or computer, right? When you install Edge browser and browse it, you can earn up to maximum 90 points per day. For every search you will get 3 points. Also in mobile you can use the Bing browser. You can just download it from Play Store and you can use it. There also you need to log into your Microsoft account. So there in the mobile you can get 60 points maximum per day. And also you can get Microsoft Edge bonus as 12 points per day. So in level 2, maximum per day you can earn 162 points. So when it comes to redeem part, right, there are different multiple options to redeem it. The most convenient way may be Amazon gift card or Flipkart gift card. There are different options. 500 rupees gift card is there, 750,000, different amount is there. You can select that and you can redeem them. I have already redeemed one Amazon gift card voucher of rupees 500 worth. That is the reason I am making this video. This is a legit rewards program. You know, on an everyday basis, when you browse something, you just use this browser. Even in mobile application, if you browse it, you can get the reward points. So you can install that app as well. So whenever you want to browse something, use these browsers. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing the channel. Thank you.